How to add loan EMI method. Go to Loans and click on Add New Loan. Select the EMI method. Choose the loan type such as a personal loan or home loan. Enter the loan amount, loan duration, and interest rate. If there is a moratorium period, enter it as well. Click Calculate to generate the loan schedule. Then choose a collection agent and click Save. The loan will now appear in the Approve and Disburses screen. Then go to Loan and select Approve and Disburse Loans. Click on Approve and then click on Disburse for the loan amount to get disbursed. Update the dispersal date if needed. Once approved, you can find the loan under View All Loans. Search for it using the customer's name, customer ID, or loan ID. Now click on the loan to start receiving payments. Thank you for watching this video. Click the subscribe button and the bell icon.